Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif has directed to constitute a task force to identify those who spread chaos and riots in Islamabad in recent days. The Prime Minister, while chairing a high-level meeting on law and order situation, said the task force will ensure that rioters of November the 24th will be punished as per the law. The meeting also decided to raise anti-riot force. More in this report by our correspondent Musharraf Zahoor.
The high-level law and order meeting chaired by Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif has decided to form a federal anti-riot force to prevent violent protests in future. The anti-riot force will be equipped according to the international standards. The meeting approved the establishment of a federal forensic lab and decided to develop the Islamabad Safe City project on modern lines. The Prime Minister directed to constitute a task force to identify those who spread chaos in Islamabad in recent days. Addressing the participants, Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif said Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's resources were used for destruction and attacking Islamabad during the recent violent protests. He said such protests render huge losses to the national economy.
एक मोहतात अंदाजे के मुताबिक ऐसे बलवों के नतीजे में 190 अरब रुपए का यौमिया मईशत को नुकसान पहुंचता है. आप अंदाज़ा करें कि एक्सपोर्ट्स को किस तरह नुकसान पहुंचा, इंपोर्ट्स को किस तरह नुकसान पहुंचा, प्रोडक्शन इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, खलियानों में, दफातर में, सरकारी प्राइवेट बिजनेस में, और फिर उससे बढ़कर दुनिया के सामने जो तमाशा लगाया गया और पाकिस्तान के नाम को रुस्वा किया गया, वो तो अल्फाज में उसको बयान भी नहीं किया जा सकता.
The Prime Minister recalled that the same party has waged assault on Islamabad in the past, such as 2014 sit-in, due to which Chinese President's scheduled visit was delayed. He highlighted that the anarchist ideology works behind such protests and ordered action against the culprits involved in recent violence in Islamabad.
ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं है, ये एक फितना है और ये एक तखरीबकारी का एक जत्था है, एक ग्रोह है. जितने भी तखरीबकार हैं, सबोटेयर्स, मिसक्रेंट्स, उन सब के खिलाफ FIRs काटी जाएं और इनकी प्रोसिक्यूशन हो सॉलिड ग्राउंड्स के ऊपर. चूमी किस्मत है कि हमें आज ये दिन देखना पड़ रहा है. मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एक वतन के साथ दुश्मनी है. इट्स आवर नेशनल ड्यूटी टुडे. अगर नहीं उनका चेहरा दिखाएं, देन आई थिंक history will judge us in very, very bad light. And posterity will not forgive us.
Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif extended gratitude to Interior Minister and his team, Chief Ministers of Sindh and Punjab, and security personnel for extending support in handling the violent protesters. The participants of the meeting also offered Fatiha for the martyred security personnel. Talking about economic achievements of the present government, the Prime Minister said, "We saved the country from default. Pakistan's stock exchange hit all-time high, while the inflation dropped to 7% and policy rate reduced to 15%. Reporting for PTV World, Musharraf Zahoor.